In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Adobe Creative Cloud from launching automatically at startup. This step-by-step guide is designed to help streamline your computer's performance by giving you control over which programs open automatically when you start your machine. So, let's get started. First, we need to open the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is your main hub for accessing all Adobe applications, managing updates, and more. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top right of the window where you'll find the profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, and what we're looking for here is Preferences. Go ahead and click on it to open the Preferences dialog box. Now that you're in Preferences, you're going to want to go to the General section. That's generally the default section that opens up first. Here, you're going to see a variety of settings related to how your Creative Cloud behaves. One of the key toggles you'll notice is labeled Launch Creative Cloud at Login, or something similar. This option determines whether or not Creative Cloud starts automatically when you log into your computer. If this toggle is turned on, simply click it to turn it off. This will prevent Creative Cloud from launching every time you start up your device, thereby freeing up system resources and speeding up your boot time. Once you've made this adjustment, you can close out of the Preferences window. With these settings configured, the next step is to exit the Creative Cloud app entirely. Simply close the app or quit it through your operating system's menus. Remember, each little bit of freed-up memory can contribute to a noticeable improvement in performance. Now, to ensure that Creative Cloud doesn't pop back up unexpectedly, we'll need to take one more quick action: disabling its automatic startup in Task Manager. To do this, open Task Manager on your computer. If you're using Windows, you can usually do this by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. If the Task Manager window is not fully expanded, you might need to click on More Details to see all the available tabs. Once you're there, find the Startup tab, which lists all the programs set to launch when your computer starts. Look for Adobe Creative Cloud, or something similar in this list. When you find it, right-click on it and choose Disable. This will prevent the Creative Cloud app from starting automatically the next time you boot your computer, keeping your startup process clean and efficient. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only optimized your computer's startup time, but also taken a step towards managing your system resources more effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.